Today is a special day!
Really? What is it?
We are going to the aquarium!
Wow! I'm so excited! I love sea animals.
Me too. Let's get ready.
Charlotte, take your hat.
Okay, Mom.
James, wear your shoes. I'm ready.
Let's go to the car! I can't wait!
Everyone in the car? Right.
Yes! How long is the trip?
About 30 minutes.
I want to see sharks. You will see many fish. I want to see jellyfish. They are very beautiful. We are here!
Wow, it's big.
Look at the building! It looks like the ocean. Let's buy tickets. I'm so happy. Stay close to me.
Okay.
Ready to go inside?
Yes, let's go. Wow, so many fish. Look at the colors. That fish is blue.
Woo!
And that one is yellow.
They are swimming fast.
Yes, they are happy.
Look, a big fish.
That is a tuna.
It is very big.
Looks big.
Yes, it is strong too.
I see small fish.
Whoa.
They swim together.
They move like a group.
That is called a school of fish.
Oh, interesting.
Let's go to the next room.
Wow! Jellyfish! They look like lights.
They are glowing. Yes, very soft and slow. I love them.
Me too.
Now, the shark area.
Sharks! Sharks! I'm excited. Are they dangerous?
Yes, but they are safe here.
Look at the big shark. It has sharp teeth.
It looks scary.
But also amazing.
I want to stay here. We have more to see.
Let's go.
Follow me.
What is that?
That is a sea turtle.
That is a sea turtle. It swims slowly. It is very calm. I like turtles.
They live a long time.
Look, a crab.
It walks sideways.
That is funny. Very funny.
Yes, very funny. Now, touch pool.
Can we touch?
Yes, but be gentle.
Okay. The starfish feels strange.
It is soft, right?
It is soft, right? I like touching it.
Good job being careful.
Let's take a break.
I'm a little tired.
Let's sit down.
Okay.
Do you like the aquarium?
Yes, very much. It is amazing.
I'm happy you like it.
Ready for more? Yes.
Yes! Let's go again.
Follow me.
Look at the penguins.
They are so cute! They are walking funny and swimming fast. I love penguins. Me too. What is next?
The big ocean tank.
Wow, so big.
Look at all the fish.
I see rays.
They look like flying.
Amazing.
Yes, very beautiful.
Time for photos.
Smile.
Say cheese.
Cheese.
Let's visit the shop.
I want a toy. Me too. Huh.
One toy each.
I want a shark toy.
Good choice.
I choose a turtle.
Very nice.
Time to go home.
I don't want to go.
Yes, next time.
Yay!
Today was fun.
Yes, very fun.
I love the aquarium.
Me too.
My favorite is jellyfish.
Mine is turtles.
I like sharks.
Sharks are great.
What did you learn today?
Fish live in water. Sharks have big teeth.
Whew, good learning.
I want to come again.
We will.
I'm sleepy. Let's go home.
Buckle your seatbelt.
Okay. I'm ready.
Let's drive.
Thank you, Mom and Dad.
You're welcome.
Best day ever. I'm glad you're happy. I will tell my friends.
Good idea. I love my shark toy.
Take care of it.
I love my turtle.
It's very cute.
We are home!
Finally!
Finally!
Wash your hands.
Okay.
I'm tired.
Time to rest.
Good night, Mom.
Good night. Good night.
Good night, Dad.
Good night.
Today was special.
Yes, very special.
I will dream about fish.
Sweet dreams.
And jellyfish. Sleep well.
And sharks.
And sha. Okay.
Good night, everyone.
Good night.
Good night.
See you tomorrow.
We love family time.